Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another edition of the Fresh Shopping Network. Yes, this is the show that features local products and local services. And during this half hour, we're going to focus on Nappanee area businesses. And we're here at E. Newcomer and Son Jewelers in Nappanee. And with us, as usual, is Barb Buss. Barb, good to see you.
Good to see you too. Good morning.
Good morning to you. Hope you had a good Christmas and a wonderful New Year's.
I did.
And there were some interesting gifts around the house, but we'll save that for another show. When you talk about gifts, though, I would imagine, Barb, people probably during the holiday season made a lot of visits here to E. Newcomer and Son. They purchased gifts, but one thing that we like to talk about here, in addition to just the products, is the service and the years of service combined experience that all you guys have here.
Yes, we this year we've been open 130 years, and all of us that work here have been here for quite a long time. Brad Newcomer, the owner and our jeweler, has been here 35 years, but his father before him was here, you know, so Brad actually has grown up in the jewelry business, and he's been around it all of his life and been, you know, involved. I've been here for 23 years. Lynn has been here for 28 years. And then we have Carla, who's been here for 12 years, and Jen, who I think is at 10 years now. So we all are very familiar with the jewelry and everything, and it really helps a lot.
I think it reflects the history and certainly the success of this business to have employees that really have been around that long. I can't believe you've been here 23 years. I mean, you must have started when you were, what, 4, 5 years old, something like that?
No, not quite.
But really, it is important to know that there is experience behind what goes on here. And Brad in particular, now you tell me he keeps pretty busy, keeps on top of it, but certainly keeps busy repairing products that come here, even products that weren't purchased here.
Absolutely. We do on-site jewelry repair, and the nice thing when you're looking for like an engagement ring or any ring that you pick out, you can pick out your diamond and your setting and go down to the neighborhood coffee shop and have a nice dessert and coffee, and Brad will set the stone, size your ring while you wait. You don't have to wait 3 weeks for it to be sent off to be done somewhere. Brad does it here, and that's pretty much everything that we have we can fix or size or set here in the store. So that really does save a lot of time, and we do take a pride in our jewelry and what we sell. And even if you didn't purchase your ring here, we will size it for you, and we do work on everything.
Well, rings are just one of the things you talk about, but also watches and clocks and that kind of repair, very important too.
Yeah, actually clock repair is sort of a dying art. I don't know if you have an older clock that you've tried to have fixed. You can't find anybody to fix it. And Brad is actually training his son-in-law to do some clock repair. So we have started taking in clock repair again. And Brad is a certified watch repairman, so we do watch repair. The clock repair service, though, you have to be patient. It is time consuming, and we do like to, make sure that they're running properly before they're picked up.
Well, I would think so, because that's really a reflection on your work and your business.
Yeah, it is. Yes, it is.
You talk about the watches and the clocks, and I can just tell you firsthand, I brought a watch in that I received as a kid back in the 60s. Can you believe it? And somewhere around 1980, probably, this stopwatch, it wasn't a stopwatch, but a pocket watch, stopped working. I brought it in here. Brad looked at it, and he went beyond what I asked him to do. And I tell you what, very reasonable. It's not what you would think. It was very inexpensive. And I tell you what, it just really brightened my Christmas. It did, to have that watch back that I hadn't had in years.
Great. That's great. And I actually do a lot of the finish work here. And each piece that we take in on repair, it's one of my favorite things to do. When someone brings in a ring that's really scratched up and dirty, it's just amazing sometimes the transformation you have from when it comes in to when it's finished. And we do take a lot of pride in that, and we want our ring and jewelry repair to look better than anybody else's.
Well, it is a transformation that goes on. The repair, very important. But just spend a moment, can you, Barb, talking about the exclusive jewelry you have here. And we do feature other businesses in other areas of the Michiana region. And there are some businesses that are really, really exclusive, and they seem to be known for that. And you're known for that as well.
We are. A lot of our companies that we purchase our jewelry from are designer lines that are exclusive to us in this area. Quite a few of them you'd have to go to Chicago or Indianapolis or the larger cities to find. With us being in the small town that we are, we have to have a reason for you to drive here. And not only do we have great prices and values on our jewelry, but we have jewelry that you can't find anywhere else. And we really try to have a lot of those unique items. And a lot of our customers who have never been in here before, they say they've discovered us. It's just like they're in awe. Which, I feel like I'm tooting my own horn here, but that is a comment that we hear a lot. Oh my gosh, I can't believe you have all this in the store. So
isn't it funny, a business that's been around nonstop since 1880, and people are just now discovering you at times?
Yeah, and the interesting thing, years ago, we used to be Newcomer and Son Jewelers and Optometrist. So that's a little piece of history that not very many people know, but we kind of go with the times and serve the community with what's needed at the time.
It's a very interesting piece of history news here. Well, Barb, how can people get in touch with you? I know you've got a great website.
We do have a website. It's www.enewcomerandson.com. We're located in downtown Napanee, 107 South Main Street, and our phone number is 574-773-3241.
All right, Barb, thank you very much. Barb Buss here at E. Newcomer and Son. We're going to continue as E. Newcomer and Son really provides the host location this week on the Fresh Shopping Network. When we come back, much more of the Napanee area businesses, so stay tuned.